When SpaceX was founded in 2002, the aerospace industry followed a rigid rule. Failure was unacceptable. Elon Musk entered the industry as an outsider, not as an aerospace engineer, but as a systems thinker with a willingness to question inherited assumptions. Instead of asking how to avoid failure, Musk asked a different question. Why does spaceflight cost so much in the first place? The answer led to a radical shift in approach. Early Falcon 1 launches failed publicly and repeatedly. For SpaceX, these failures were not reputational disasters. They were sources of flight data that simulations alone could not provide. Musk pushed for rapid iteration: design, test, fail, analyze, rebuild, then launch again. This philosophy shaped SpaceX's most disruptive idea: reusability. Traditional rockets were treated as expendable. Musk challenged that logic, arguing that a system discarded after one use could never become economically efficient. Falcon 9 became the proof. Its landings were not the result of a single innovation, but hundreds of refinements in software, engine control, guidance systems, and materials, each informed by real-world performance. By 2012, SpaceX became the first private company to dock with the International Space Station. In 2020, under NASA's Commercial Crew Program, it restored human spaceflight capability from U.S. soil. Musk's influence extended beyond rockets. Starlink reflected a vertically integrated strategy, using SpaceX's launch capacity to deploy its own satellite constellation, creating recurring revenue while funding long-term exploration goals. Starship follows the same logic at a larger scale. Built from stainless steel for speed and resilience, it is tested in full view of the public, with failures treated as necessary system-level validation. At SpaceX, risk is not eliminated. It is engineered, measured, and iterated. Elon Musk did not redefine spaceflight by avoiding mistakes. He built an organization designed to learn faster than its competitors. That, more than ambition or vision, is what continues to push SpaceX forward.